This is the voiceover for the MCQ in Acoustics series. Included topic in the Communications Engineering ECE Board Exam. A PinoyBIX MCQ, quiz, and reviewers. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell button to be always updated to my new video. Thank you in advance. 151 Which best describe the sound wave? A. It may be longitudinal. B. It is always transverse. C. It is always longitudinal. D. All of the above. Answer: C. It is always longitudinal. 152 Which of the following cannot travel through a vacuum? A. Electromagnetic wave. B. Radio wave. C. Sound wave. D. Light wave. Answer: C. Sound wave. 153 Through which medium does sound travel fastest? A. Air. B. Water. C. Steel. D. Mercury. Answer: C. Steel. 154 Speed that is faster than that of sound. A. Ultrasonic. B. Supersonic. C. Subsonic. D. Transonic. Answer: B. Supersonic. 155 What is the speed of sound in air at 20 degrees Celsius? A. 1087 feet per second. B. 1100 feet per second. C. 1126 feet per second. D. 200 feet per second. Answer: A. 1087 feet per second. 156 Calculate a half wavelength sound for sound of 16,000 Hz. A. 35 feet. B. 10 feet. C. 0.035 feet. D. 100 feet. Answer: C. 0.035 feet. 157 The lowest frequency that a human ear can hear is A. 5 Hz. B. 20 Hz. C. 30 Hz. D. 20 Hz. Answer: B. 20 Hz. 158 Sound that vibrates at frequency too high for the human ear to hear, over 20 kHz. A. Subsonic. B. Ultrasonic. C. Transonic. D. Stereo. Answer: B. Ultrasonic. 159 The frequency interval between two sounds whose frequency ratio is 10. A. Octave. B. Half octave. C. Third octave. D. Decade. Answer: A. Octave. 160 A 16 kHz sound is how many octaves higher than a 500 Hz sound? A. 2. B. 5. C. 4. D. 8. Answer: B. 5 octaves. 161 Sound waves composed of but one frequency is A/N. A. Infrasound. B. Pure tone. C. Structure borne. D. Residual sound. Answer: B. Pure tone. 162 Sound wave has two main characteristics which are A. Highness and loudness. B. Tone and loudness. C. Pitch and loudness. D. Rarefaction and compression. Answer: C. Pitch and loudness. 163 When waves bend away from straight lines of travel, it is called A. Reflection. B. Diffraction. C. Rarefaction. D. Refraction. Answer: D. Refraction. 164 The amplitude of sound waves, the maximum displacement of each air particle, is the property which perceive as blank of a sound. A. Pitch. B. Intensity. C. Loudness. D. Harmonics. Answer, C. Loudness. 165 It is the weakest sound that average human hearing can detect. A. SPL equals 0 dB. B. Threshold of hearing. C. Reference pressure equal 2 times 10 raised to negative 5 Newton per square meter. D. All of these. Answer, D. All of these. 166 What is a device that is used to measure the hearing sensitivity of a person? A. Audiometer. B. OTDR. C. SLM. D. Spectrum analyzer. Answer, A. Audiometer. 167 What is the device used in measuring sound pressure levels incorporating a microphone, amplification, filtering and a display? A. Audiometer. B. OTDR. C. SLM. D. Spectrum analyzer. Answer, C. SLM. 168 What weighted scale in a sound level meter gives a reading that is most closely to the response of the human ear? A. Weighted scale A. B. Weighted scale B. C. Weighted scale C. D. Weighted scale D. Answer, A. Weighted scale A. 169 For aircraft noise measurements, the weighting scale that is used is blank. A. Weighted scale A. B. Weighted scale B. C. Weighted scale C. D. Weighted scale D. Answer, D. Weighted scale D. 170 It is the device used to calibrate an SLM. A. Microphone. B. Piston phone. C. Telephone. D. Filter. Answer, B. Piston phone. 171 Blank is the sound power measured over the area upon which is received. A. Sound pressure. B. Sound energy. C. Sound intensity. D. Sound pressure level. Answer, C. Sound intensity. 172 A measure of the intensity of sound in comparison to another sound intensity. A. Fon. B. Decibel. C. Pascal. D. Watts. Answer, B. Decibel. 173 Calculate the sound intensity level in dB of a sound whose intensity is 0.007 watts per square meter. A. 95 dB. B. 91 dB. C. 98 dB. D. 101 dB. Answer, C. 98 dB. 174 What is the sound pressure level for a given sound whose RMS pressure is 200 Newton per square meter? A. 200 dB. B. 20 dB. C. 140 dB. D. 14 dB. Answer, C. 140 dB. 175 What is the sound intensity for an RMS pressure of 200 Pascal? A. 90 watts per square meter. B. 98 watts per square meter. C. 108 watts per square meter. D. 88 watts per square meter. Answer, B. 98 watts per square meter.